morning and welcome. Nope. Too spinny. All right, good morning and welcome to Spontaneous News. I'm Tim Takala, and we're going to get right straight to the weather this morning with, wait, you still on? Jim? Right, let's see how this goes. We're going to get right to the weather with Jim Goodweather. Jim, how's the weather looking out there?
Tim, I can't hear you. It's so windy out here.
Jim,
the wind is a-blowing.
It's literally sunny and not breezy. Best day we've ever had this week.
I can't believe I'm standing up right now. I don't even know how I'm standing here.
Jim, unless your feet are cemented into the tar. Wait, you don't have feet. Oh!
I'm surprised my mustache hasn't even blown away.
Jim? But
all
Jim,
this wind.
Jim?
I can't hear you.
Jim!
Are you even there? Are you
Jim!
even there? Jim! Even the chickens are flying
Chickens
south.
don't fly south.
Well, now we're going east.
Where is he? Like, where do we send him? Apparently not next door.
What? I can't hear you, Tim.
Jim, stand still, and...
Oh, it's not windy?
All right, you're perfectly fine.
Oh, woo! Because I wanted my wife's lasagna.
Jim, you have a lovely lasagna dinner with your wife. That was lovely. Somehow, we got through it. All right. Well, guys, that was our weather report. Nice and sunny, not a tree moving. It's a perfect day for
Spontaneous Science!
Good morning, and I do not need these glasses anymore. Like I'm Tim Takala or something. Anyway, good morning and welcome to Spontaneous Science! And eventually we'll get a space of our own. Today we are going to continue our weather experiments with wind. We are going to make our very own little wind thingamabob. Anemometer. Woo! Alright, so here we go. What you are going to need, you're going to need a pencil, a hole puncher, snip, a one paper clip, this is a paper clip, and Dixie Cups, little paper cups. Yeah. And then you're going to need some straws. Just 2. Alright, 2 straws. Alright, so let's get this started. We're going to take 1 cup, and we're going to take the pencil and poke a hole in the bottom. Boom, just like that. We're going to pull it through, don't pull it all the way through, and leave the eraser right at the bottom. Alright, next you're going to take your hole punchers, and you're going to punch 4 equal holes at the top of the cup, across from each other. This is going to be good. Alright, there's 2. It's not going to turn out well. Alright, science. So we got 4 equal holes, and then we are going to stick our straws right through to the other side. And you're going to stick the other straw, same thing, right to the other side. You get something that looks like that. Maybe even better. Alright, and then you're going to take your paper clip, and you're going to stick your paper clip right through the straws into the pencil eraser. Do not poke yourself. Alright. See if this even works. Alright, I got a thumbtack. It's sharper than a paper clip. Alright, I'm going to stick that through. Let's try that. Stick it through right into the eraser. Give it a couple twists, and you want to kind of spin around like that inside the eraser. So we get our base. Alright, next we're going to take these 4 cups and do the same thing, but with just 2 holes instead. So we got 1, and kind of across from each other, 2. Hopefully that's somewhat. Alright, so hopefully that is somewhat equal. Alright, so you're going to take your cup and push it through all the way through. So it kind of looks like that. And you want all your cups to face the same direction. So all the open side of the cup, you will put like that. And 1 more cup. Alright, so we have our anemometer, 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 anemometer. And so, this is what we got. So you can go outside and measure the wind with this. And so, just to make sure that it works, we're going to stick a hairdryer to it. Let's do that. I'm going to go get a hairdryer. Be right back. Alright, hairdryer. So what we're going to do, we're going to test out our anemometer. Alright, here we go. Alright, so if it breaks, seek shelter. Seek shelter because there's possibly a tornado coming. So there we go. There we have it. Our homemade anemometer. Anemometer. So, guys, you can make this at home with some Dixie Cups and some straws and a pencil. And you can find all this stuff at Family Dollar. We are unofficially sponsored by Family Dollar. And test it outside. See how fast the wind is going with your homemade anemometer. Alright. And so, this has been
Spontaneous science.